Hope you will be fine. Today we will study about multimedia advantages and disadvantages. Now, number one is creativity. Now, as we know that multimedia is a combination of various media to present information to the user. So with the help of this we can say that we can add creativity to our multimedia application. Now the second one is variety. Multimedia provide information to various users. So we can say that it caters all types of learners. Third, cost effective. Multimedia requires only a one-time purchase of devices and softwares. So we can say that it is a cost-effective way to develop an application. Now, fourth one is evaluation. In this, we can say that multimedia offers ideal learning assessment tools which are also very entertainment to the users. Now fifth one is support. We have different media formats, like we can say that we have .avi, mp4, etc, etc, with different models. So we can have various multimedia softwares to develop applications. Now we will discuss about disadvantages of multimedia. Number one is accessibility. Now, accessibility defines quantity to be operated. Which may not be accessible in some regions. For example, we can say that in rural areas where the connectivity is not much more possible, so it is not accessible to these areas. Second one is distracting. Now, as we know that we can develop multimedia applications in various formats. Sometimes the application developed in one format cannot be supported in another format. So we get an issue of interoperability. So multimedia gets a distracting feature. So this is one of the disadvantage of multimedia application. Point number 3, costly. Production of multimedia is more costly than others because it is made up of more than one medium. Production of multimedia require electronic devices which may be repeatedly or relatively expensive. So to develop a multimedia application, we have to set up a wide range of electronic devices. So sometimes it is very much costly. Time consuming. Creating multimedia application require more skills to develop creativity. So it is also a time consuming process. So these are few advantages and disadvantages of multimedia application. Hope you have understood this one. Stay tuned for lecture. Thank you very much.